Hello again, Saber Form. E-Rock here, and back again with another custom sound font review, this time from Jedi Hoot. Yeah, interesting thing about Jedi Hoot, he does not yet own an Ultra Saber with an Obsidian soundboard. So he was, or maybe I read that wrong, he doesn't own an Obsidian, or he doesn't own an Ultra Saber yet, but he was still able to get the sound font here, so. Excuse me. Had to let the cat in. So, yes, Jedi Hoot, and he sent me a bunch of sounds to put together. This one is called Order 66. Alright, so it has a boot up, it's got a start up, a shutdown, 2 swings, 2 clashes, a lock up, and of course a home. So here's Order 66. Another thing about this one, it is loud. I like those. Alright, and just a couple clashes. Pretty cool. And then a lockup. Nice and grindy there. I could definitely dig that one. And then the power down. Like your saber blade's getting sucked into a vacuum. Ha! I totally dig that. So, pretty cool that this was actually able to be done without having, well, without having an Ultra Saber potentially, or at least one without an Obsidian soundboard to test it on. So, thanks, Jedi Hoot. It's pretty awesome that you were able to do this. So, here's to you, mate. We got the Order 66 font. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this was Order 66 by Jedi Hoot. Thank you very much, man. If you can keep doing stuff like this, maybe it can be said that maybe Ultra Sabers aren't necessary to make Ultra Sabers sound fonts. Interesting. Nice. Thanks again, and see you soon. Happy sabering.